in a electrical system or in a power generation system. Hello subscriber, we are discussing about the in a electrical system and electrical system we were discussing about the prime movers like the generator means genset. Genset means diesel generator or any diesel engine which is moving the alternator, then the electricity will be produced. So in this topic we have been clear that the practical tips of a generator protection. Professional generator protection suppliers has a high quality and a competitive price, and the operation and the maintenance and the troubleshooting ways and their operating principles. But we have discussed about a little bit points. This topic is so deeply, but we have give the little bit knowledge about the what the generator practical tips of a generator protections, and we have also discussed about that how does I protect my generator and how does generator different protection works, why does my generator keeps tripping, and which relay is used for a generator protection. Before we have a discuss about these topics and these questions, like as in a professional electrical sparkly engineers, please subscribe my channel to give these knowledgeable things for you day by day. We have uploaded the videos about the generator protections and different type of videos. So please keep subscribe me and watch my video till end to understand which topic has been discussed in this video. So we are how does I protect my generator? The generator have a simply protections like the governor, spark plugs, and auto governing, which is controlling the generator within different modes. How does a generator differential protection works? The differential protection is provided the generator by using a longitudinal differential relays, generally using continuous effected of a armature type of a relay. Relays are used for a purpose because all these have a high speed operating and also they are free from being affected from a AC transist of a power circuits. Why does my generator keeps the tripping? In a general, there are two devices that can trip or shut off the power on a portable generator. The ground fault circuit interrupting GFCI repeatedly and the circuit breaker leaks are usually caused by a water dust or a one installed at a defected electrical appliances of a human skins. Which relay is used for a generator production? Induction type means IDMT relay is used for that purpose. High see the definition minimum time induction type inverse and our current earth fault relay are required to back up the production of a generator. Some people have questions about that. The that the generator can be operated in a rain or not. All manufacturers typically state the very strongly and clearly that their generator should not be used in a rain or other wet condition. It is important to protect your generator from exposure to the moisture for a safety reason, but also to keep the generator in ideal working conditions. But some generators are used in a canopy type. A container has been installed and then generator will be fit in there and they will be used in the rain, but they will be a protect from the rain and also be be away from a moisture and their trippings. Can you use a generator overnight? Yes, you can run the generator overnight, but there are a few problems that you will have a deal with. Like I mentioned at the beginning of our article, most generator can run about 8 hours before empty their fuel tank. This is enough gas for overnight. Means it is also of a portable generator, but a heavy diesel engines or a heavy gasoline engine are running of a 24 hours or continuously running a 600 hours, or after a maintenance they will be stopped and again it will be started. That will be a continuous generator are using like as a deep sum generator. Type of a generator production other than a protected relay associated directly with the generator is associated transformer. There are lighting arrestor, our speed safeguards, oil flow devices, and the temperature measuring devices for a shaft bearing starter winding transformer and the winding in the transformer oil etc. Generator has also used an oil for a cooling, but it's a cool the engine, but not in a temporary winding will be cooled within a fan which is already running or installed within a prime mover which is moving the alternator on a 3000 rpm or a 15,000 rpm. Some of the people are thinking about what kind of a fault has been occurred on a generator. Different type of a fault has been occurred on a generator. A fault is an unwanted current flow in an electrical system. Fault can cause all kind of a problem for the generator, include the current losses, interrupting of a power delivery, and the damages of to the generator due to the overheatings. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me. If you have if you want any topic, please comment below on my video. I will provide as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me.